In the vast, interconnected world of finance, two titans clash for the attention of investors: the established giant of foreign exchange and the disruptive newcomer, cryptocurrency. For generations, fortunes have been made and lost on the subtle shifts of global currencies. But now, a new digital frontier promises unprecedented returns. As we look towards 2025, the question on every trader's mind is, where does the smarter money lie? Forex or crypto? This is the ultimate showdown for your investment portfolio. Let's begin with the seasoned champion, Forex. The foreign exchange market, or Forex, is the largest financial market in the world. Imagine a massive, decentralized marketplace where every global currency is traded 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. When you travel and exchange your dollars for euros, you're participating in the Forex market. But for traders, it's about speculating on the value fluctuations between currency pairs. Will the US dollar strengthen against the Japanese yen? Will the British pound rise against the Swiss franc? These are the questions Forex traders answer every single day. The sheer scale is staggering, with trillions of dollars exchanged daily. This immense volume provides high liquidity, meaning you can typically buy or sell currencies almost instantly without a significant price change. Its pillars are global economics, central bank policies, and geopolitical events. It's a market deeply rooted in the tangible world we know. Now, meet the challenger, cryptocurrency. Born from the digital revolution, crypto is a universe of decentralized digital assets secured by cryptography. Unlike the pound or the yen, which are issued by central banks, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum operate on a technology called blockchain. Think of blockchain as a public, unchangeable digital ledger that records every transaction. This decentralization is its core philosophy. No single entity controls it. Instead of being influenced by a nation's interest rates, crypto prices are driven by a unique blend of technological innovation, community adoption, investor sentiment, and the fundamental principles of supply and demand. It's a market that never sleeps, trading 24/7, and represents a fundamental shift in how we perceive and interact with value itself. So, let's address the multi-trillion-dollar question, which has a higher potential return on investment, or ROI. This is where the two markets diverge dramatically. Forex is generally characterized by lower volatility. Major currency pairs, like the euro versus the US dollar, might only move a fraction of a percent in a single day. To profit from these small movements, traders use leverage, which is essentially borrowed capital to increase the size of their position. This magnifies both potential profits and potential losses. A skilled Forex trader can achieve consistent, albeit modest, returns. It's often seen as a marathon, not a sprint. Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, is the undisputed king of volatility. It's not uncommon for a digital asset to surge or plummet by 10, 20, or even 50% in a single day. This extreme price action is a double-edged sword. It offers the potential for astronomical returns in a very short period, the kind of life-changing gains that draw so many to the market. Early investors in major cryptocurrencies have seen returns that are simply unheard of in traditional markets. However, this same volatility means the risk of significant loss is equally high. If Forex is a marathon, crypto is a high-speed, unpredictable roller coaster. For 2025, the potential for higher ROI undoubtedly lies with crypto, but it comes with a significantly higher dose of risk. So, how does the average person get in on this action? In the past, both markets were intimidating and difficult to access. Forex required specialized brokers and complex software. Crypto involved navigating confusing digital wallets and exchanges. But today, the game has completely changed. The rise of modern trading apps has democratized access to global financial markets. These powerful applications, right on your smartphone, have bridged the gap between the everyday individual and the complex world of trading. With just a few taps, you can open an account, deposit funds, and begin trading both Forex pairs and a wide array of cryptocurrencies from a single, unified platform. These apps provide real-time charts, analysis tools, and educational resources, empowering a new generation of traders. They've transformed what was once the exclusive domain of Wall Street professionals into an opportunity accessible to anyone with a smartphone and a desire to learn. You can monitor the euro's movement in the morning and trade a new altcoin in the afternoon, all from the palm of your hand. This accessibility is perhaps the biggest evolution in personal finance in the last decade. So, as we stand at this crossroads, looking ahead to 2025, what's the verdict? Forex versus crypto isn't about one being definitively better than the other. It is about understanding their fundamental differences and how they align with your personal financial goals and risk tolerance. Forex offers stability, high liquidity, and a foundation in predictable global economics. It's a strategic game of inches, suited for those who prefer a more measured and analytical approach. It's the choice for the disciplined strategist. Crypto, conversely, is the frontier of finance. It offers unparalleled growth potential and a chance to be part of a technological revolution. It's fueled by innovation, community, and high-octane volatility. It is the realm of the bold, the visionary, and those comfortable with high risk for the chance of high reward. Ultimately, the wisest strategy might not be to choose one over the other. A diversified approach could be the key. You can use the stability of Forex to build a consistent foundation, while allocating a smaller, speculative portion of your portfolio to the high-growth potential of the crypto market. The beauty of modern finance is that you don't have to be a specialist in just one. You can be a student of both. The tools are available, the knowledge is accessible, and the markets are waiting. The most important step is the first one, to get started safely and educate yourself along the way. Your financial journey for 2025 and beyond is yours to design. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into the financial world. We hope this has clarified the exciting opportunities in both Forex and crypto. If you were curious and want to try navigating both of these markets in a safe and user-friendly environment, check out the app link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more content that empowers your financial future. We'll see you in the next one.